Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your side hustle has run itself overnight, written blog posts, replied to messages, scheduled your ads, maybe even processed orders, and you didn't lift a finger. That scenario is not sci-fi. It's quietly becoming reality. What if I told you that within 3 to 5 years, a large share of what we call income streams today will either be disrupted or completely automated? Not by robots, you see, but by software so smart you can't tell it from a human. In this video, we'll explore how AI and automation are rewriting what it means to earn, where money is moving, which hustles will survive or thrive, what tools you can actually use now, and the ethical traps you must avoid. Let's dive in. Let's start with a bold claim. AI is increasingly indistinguishable from reality in content, conversation, creation, in many tasks. The boundary between what a human did and what AI did is blurring. We already see this in chatbots that respond like humans, deepfake voices or avatars that mimic real people, AI agents that can produce essays, videos, or marketing campaigns. In many industries, the first step is automation. The next is replacement or augmentation. This shift means income strategies built on the human doing the work model are under pressure. If a software can replace or massively speed up what you do, your time becomes less of a limiting factor. But your differentiator becomes design, oversight, creative direction, and systems thinking. So the question changes. If AI handles execution, what will humans earn from? The answer: direction, strategy, curation, systems, ownership, specialization, and trustworthy alignment. Let's get concrete. Which jobs or hustles stand to gain? And which ones may suffer? Gains, winners. Knowledge and white-collar work with complexity or nuance. AI is becoming a research assistant. For example, in asset management, generative AI tools help analysts synthesize earnings calls, financial statements, real-time news to propose investment ideas. This accelerates insight generation, giving firms an 8% efficiency boost. Marketing, content, and distribution. Generative AI now helps brands produce large volumes of content, ads, video snippets. Some firms report 4 times content output and 70% time saved after adopting AI content automation. For example, one marketing automation platform built with GPT, LangChain, and vector search raised output and engagement metrics substantially. E-commerce and product, dynamic description generation, personalized product content, or even AI-driven upsells. Finance and operations, tasks like claims processing, expense report validation, compliance checks are being handled by AI, plus intelligent document processing systems, IDP. In one recent case, a corporate expense system using AI plus document recognition cut processing time by over 80%. Industrial/insurance sectors. AI-enhanced business process automation, e.g. using object-centric process mining, is speeding up claim adjudication in insurance operations. At risk, losers. Repetitive, rule-based, low-decision tasks. Think basic data entry, standard template content, transcription, simple customer service. Lower wage service roles. As AI chatbots become more natural, entry-level support might shrink. Traditional micro-side hustles that haven't adopted automation, e.g., if many people run a content blog manually, their margins may collapse when others adopt AI to scale. Reddit users talk of migrating their portfolio of websites from human writers to AI-driven content to maintain volume. Copywriting, translation, design, but only basic or mid-tier level. High-end, high-uniqueness creative work is harder to automate. There's also a dual effect. AI might shift returns toward capital, owners of AI systems, rather than labor. human time. In U.S. research, the productivity advantage from AI may disproportionately favor higher-income knowledge workers, exacerbating inequality. The World Economic Forum anticipates that AI and automation will create 170 million jobs globally by 2030, while displacing 92 million roles. That means adaptation is critical. If automation is inevitable, the smarter approach is to build side hustles that anticipate AI, systems that scale, that you orchestrate, not execute. Here are paths and examples. 1. Content, blogging, publishing, AI-driven content sites. Some creators now run portfolios of content sites powered largely by AI. The content ideation, writing, SEO, scheduling, updating is automated, with human oversight just for curation, upgrading, editing. The aim is scaling with minimal marginal cost. Reddit tools you can use: ChatGPT/GPT-4/GPT-4, Turbo or similar LLMS as a writing core, SEO, assistants, Surfer, SEO ClearScope, and so on. To optimize AI-generated drafts, tools like Content Bot for automating content workflows, tools like Predis.ai for social media content generation and auto-posting, automation platforms, Zapier, Make, N8N, to connect your content pipeline to publishing, email drip, social posting, versioning plugins/AI editors for rewriting and freshness too. Social media/short video creation. Many companies now use AI to convert longer articles or text into videos with images, voiceovers, layout. Example: Wibbits automates video creation from article text. Also, tools like Cluiso help convert screen recordings or process flows into tutorial videos automatically. You could build a system. You feed topics weekly. AI creates multiple short reels, posts them, monitors engagement, reinvests into better variations. 3. Marketing/ad creatives. Ad creative generation, A/B testing, variant generation. A lot of this is being automated. Predis.ai is one example of AI-powered social media plus creative generation plus scheduling. Other platforms like Rocketium automate creative operations, letting you quickly produce image/video ads. 4. Automated lead generation, Jar funnels. Email AI can write personalized cold email sequences, follow-ups, dynamic drip campaigns. Pair that with automation via platforms like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, ConvertKit, building triggers based on user behavior. Then AI writes follow messages based on user context, e.g. via GPT integration. You can build a lead machine side hustle. Find niche, run ad to funnel. AI handles writing and optimizations, you optimize conversion. 5. Micro SaaS/AI agents plus API products. You can build small automation tools or agents via GPT plus domain logic for a niche and monetize via subscription or selling usage, e.g. AI toolkit for realtors, local marketers, lawyers. The upfront effort is heavier, but once built, it runs with minimal intervention. 6. Financial, trading, robo-advisory. Robo-advisors are not new, but AI is making them smarter and more accessible. They automatically invest, rebalance, tax loss harvest. As these systems mature, some individuals embed them into side capital income. Let's map out a toolkit you can start using now, not futuristic, but accessible. OpenAI API/GPT-4, the engine for content, chat, summarization, rewriting. LangChain/RAG frameworks. If you're building applications or content systems that fetch and reason over external knowledge, useful for building smarter assistants and automations. Weaviate/VectorDBS for semantic search, retrieval augmented generation RAG, enabling your AI to contextualize. used in case studies like content automation platforms. Content automation platforms. Content bot for blog, marketing automation, creative/ad generation, Predis.ai, AI ad creatives plus auto posting, Rocketium for creative ops video tools, Wibbits for converting articles to videos, automation orchestration, Zapier, Make.com, N8N, Glue Systems, so your AI parts talk to your publishing, email, analytics. SEO/optimization, tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, or in-house semantic keyword modules help AI's output rank well. Monitoring and human review, quality control systems, feedback loops, human-in-the-loop oversight to catch drift, hallucinations, or brand mismatches. Analytics. Use Google Analytics, AI-powered analytics. Some platforms now embed AI in analytics to spot trends, usage patterns, and feed them back into content generation decisions. When you build, always think 2 levels up. Your job is not the micromanagement of each piece. Your job is the orchestration of the system, measuring, improving, scaling. This isn't a fantasy utopia. There are serious pitfalls and ethical responsibilities you must grapple with. A. Quality, hallucination, brand mismatch. Generative AI sometimes invents false statements, hallucinations. If content is automated without oversight, you risk publishing errors, misleading claims, brand damage. Always include human review layers. B. Over-reliance and de-skilling. If you let AI do everything, you may lose your own critical thinking, domain competence. If your systems break or models change, you may be helpless. C. Saturation and race to the bottom. When many adopt the same AI tools, content or ads start to feel generic. Differentiation matters. If everyone's doing AI-generated blog posts in a niche, suddenly your niche could become flooded with similar content, reducing monetization margins. D. Platform dependence and fragile income. If your entire hustle depends on one tool or platform, e.g., an API, a social media site, changes in API pricing or algorithm shifts can collapse your income overnight. E. Ethical issues. Deepfakes, misinformation, copyright. Using AI to produce content that impersonates real people without consent is legally and ethically dangerous. Misinformation. A. I can produce plausible yet false narratives. Copyright. AI-generated content may inadvertently replicate copyrighted text unless carefully prompt-engineered or filtered. Bias and fairness. AI reflects biases in its training data. If your content is on sensitive topics, you must guard against harmful or biased outputs. F. Inequality and displacement. There's a societal concern. As AI automates more, those without capital or technical skill may lose income. The labor share may decline, and income concentrate among those owning AI systems or platforms. Policymakers are already raising questions about taxing automation, robot taxes, or rethinking social safety nets. G. Regulatory/policy risk. AI regulation is looming. Data privacy, model transparency, liability for content. Any sudden regulatory changes might affect tools or business models you depend on. To mitigate, always keep human oversight. Diversify income sources, build your own infrastructure, or have fallback. Stay abreast of AI ethics, regulation, and evolve. Be transparent with your audience, especially when AI is involved. Let's review a few compelling real examples. Adbar/Zestminds built an end-to-end AI content automation system using GPT, LangChain, semantic retrieval, and API automation. They saw a 36% increase in engagement, 70% time saved, and 4 times output growth. Lionbridge. In a content optimization project, they used Amazon Bedrock, ChatGPT, Bard, and Llama to research, create, and optimize multilingual content. They used AI for keyword research, content drafting, and optimization, eventually producing content competitive with human authors. E-commerce platform. In one deployment, an online retail business automated their blog, product descriptions, and promotional emails using AI. They iteratively trained the model with brand voice, and the AI began producing content aligned with the brand's tone. Expense processing, corporate case. A Korean company used generative AI plus intelligent document processing to fully automate expense receipt handling, scanning, classifying, exception handling, reducing processing time by 80%, cutting error rates, and boosting compliance. Insurance/claims domain. In insurance, AI-enhanced business process, mining and automation helped accelerate claim adjudication, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. These are not futuristic pilots. They are real deployments that show the pattern. Start with identifying bottlenecks, pilot AI augmentation, then scale. We are living through a sea change. AI and automation are not just efficiencies. They are rewriting who can earn, how earning happens, and where value accrues. To thrive in this new world, your mindset must shift from doing work to designing systems, from earning by hours to earning by leverage. If you want to stay ahead, start now. Experiment with AI tools. Build an automated micro-income path. Monitor outcomes and iterate. Don't wait until your job or side hustle is disrupted without you in control. If this video opened your eyes to even a few new possibilities, hit the like button, leave a comment. I want to know what side hustle you'd like to automate. And make sure you subscribe to the Money Root channel, because we'll keep unpacking exactly how these technologies impact income, wealth, and opportunity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.